Ford Focus 2018 oil reset. Just press the brake and then press the gas pedal all the way. Press both of them, then put in the on mode. You will see oil reset complete. Then remove your pit on the brakes and the gas pedal, and it's done.